Stretch marks are usually associated with pregnancy, but they can actually develop in various situations such as rapid weight gain, or loss, weightlifting, or if a person experiences a hormonal imbalance or certain diseases. These marks are unlikely to disappear completely on their own. However, there are some natural ways to make them fade more quickly. Here are 8 natural tips that are really effective when getting rid of stretch marks. Instead of spending lots of money on expensive anti-striae creams, try these remedies that were prepared by nature for your skin. Number 1. Rub castor oil. Castor oil is rich in phenolic acid that helps to heal stretch marks. Homeopathy suggests that castor oil is one of the most powerful remedies for striae. It's very rich in fatty acids and acts as a perfect moisturizer. Number 2. Apply lemon juice. Vitamin C that's found in lemons boosts the development of collagen, making your skin more elastic. Lemon juice is also naturally acidic, and therefore quickly removes dead skin cells. It's effective in lightening the color of stretch marks and speeds up the process of their fading. Number 3. Use aloe vera. Aloe vera is a natural skin healer. It's one of the most powerful plants Mother Earth has to offer. Its antioxidants repair damaged skin cells and restore skin tissue. It's also rich in collagen, which makes your skin softer and more elastic. How to use? If you have never tried aloe vera before, apply a small amount of its gel on your wrist, in order to determine if you have an allergic reaction or not. If you're not allergic to it, rub it well onto the stretch marks and leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse it off with warm water. Number 4. Drinking plenty of water. It's so important to stay hydrated. If you drink enough water, your skin stays soft and more elastic. Water keeps your skin moisturized, while dry skin tends to be more prone to the appearance of stretch marks, scars, and wrinkles. Studies show that it's important to drink about 8 to 9 glasses of water on a daily basis. Number 5. Apply coconut oil. Coconut oil is known for its healing properties. It's rich in lauric acid that helps to repair damaged skin. Applying it to stretch marks every day helps your skin to heal more quickly. It's unlikely to remove the stretch marks completely, but it can definitely reduce their red appearance. Number 6. Cure with vitamin A. Vitamin A improves early stretch marks and makes your skin smoother and younger. Vitamin A can be consumed in supplement form, and it's also present in green and yellow fruits and vegetables, carrots, eggs, fish, dairy products and liver. Number 7. Exfoliate with sugar scrub. Sugar effectively exfoliates dead skin cells that remain around stretch marks. Scrubbing also boosts blood circulation and speeds up the healing process. Microdermabrasion has been proven to be an effective method to reduce striae. Number 8. Try egg whites. Egg whites contain protein which helps skin to regenerate. Collagen, which is also present in egg whites, will help your skin to get more elastic.